Most people think the AI gold rush is over. That if you didn't start in 2023, you missed it. That's wrong. In fact, 2026 is the year of the AI specialist in India. There are dozens of AI ideas, but only 5 that build a real business, not just pocket money. Stay till the end, because the last one is exactly what I'm using right now to get clients in India and USA to pay me monthly retainers. I run an AI mentorship program where I teach everyday people how to start AI agencies. And I can tell you, the get rich quick schemes are dead. But there are 5 specific business models where AI does 90% of the heavy lifting and you just collect the profit. I'm talking about real businesses that can make you 1 lakh to 3 lakhs rupees a month from home. I'm going to break down all 5, including the one I am personally using right now to build voice agents for clients in Bangalore. Let's dive in. Number 1 is AI thumbnail design. Look, in the creator economy, the click is currency. If nobody clicks, the creator makes zero money. That makes thumbnails the most valuable real estate on YouTube. Most people think you need to be a Photoshop wizard. You don't. You can use tools like VidIQ, Midjourney or Ideogram to generate the base image and Canva to add the text. The effort is low, but the payout is high. In India, creators are exploding. A beginner can charge 500 to 1000 rupees per thumbnail. But if you get good, I know designers charging 3000 to 5000 rupees for a single image. Do the math. 2 thumbnails a day could replace a typical engineer's salary. Your job isn't to draw. It's to study viral psychology and let AI generate the pixels. Number 2 is AI blog generation. But not the old way. I'm talking about ranking for the new search engines like ChatGPT search and Gemini. Local businesses in India, dentists, real estate agents, coaching centers, they are invisible to AI right now. If I ask Gemini best dentist in Mumbai, will their name pop up? Probably not. That is your opportunity. You can use tools like Perplexity or Claude to write high quality, localized articles for these businesses. You aren't charging for words anymore. You are charging for visibility. You can easily charge a retainer of 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month per client just to keep their content fresh so AI recommends them. It's easy work for you, but it's survival for them. Number 3 is close to my heart because I use this tech daily. The Faceless AI YouTube channel. You don't need a camera. You don't need a mic. You don't even need to speak English perfectly. I use tools like HeyGen for avatars and ElevenLabs for voiceovers. You can create a channel on finance, motivation or tech news. You write the script using Gemini, generate the voice with ElevenLabs and use stock footage or AI video generators. The potential here is huge because of AdSense and affiliate marketing. Once you build an audience, that asset pays you while you sleep. And the best part, you can do this in any regional language or English. The Indian audience is hungry for video content. If you are shy, this is your path to 1 lakh a month. Number 4, AI website building. Listen to this stat. There are over 63 million MSMEs in India. Most of them still do not have a proper website. In the past, building a website took weeks of coding. Now, you can use no-code AI builders like Framer, AI or 10web. You type in the business name and it builds the structure, writes the copy and picks the images. You can charge 10,000 to 20,000 rupees for a basic setup that takes you 2 hours to build. For a small shop owner in Pune or Delhi, that website is their digital storefront. It's low effort for you but high value for them. And finally, number 5. This is the big one. This is what I teach my mentees, the AI automation urgency. This is where you solve expensive problems for businesses. For example, right now I'm building a voice agent for a loan DSA client in Bangalore. This AI agent handles calls in Kannada, Hindi and English. It qualifies leads automatically 24/7. I use tools like N8N and Make for the workflow and VP and Retail AI for the voice. A business owner will happily pay you 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees upfront plus a monthly retainer because you are saving them the cost of hiring 10 support staff. You aren't just a freelancer, you are an efficiency expert. If you want to make serious money like 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs rupees a year, this is the skill to master in 2026. So, you have two choices. You can keep watching videos and waiting for the perfect time. Or you can pick one of these 5 models and start today. The market in India is wide open right now. If you are serious and you want to learn exactly how to build that AI automation agency, how to use N8N, how to build voice agents, and how to get clients, I cover all of this in my mentorship program. If you want to know more, just check the link in the description or comment AIA. Let's build something big together. See you in the next video.